We are drawing a Shoebill Stork today. This is part of my creating a coloring book series. This is African Critters, Volume 3. Let's take a preview. The Shoebill Stork, I was looking through the list of, yeah, there it is. Not the prettiest of critters, but I was looking through the list and I saw Shoebill and I didn't recognize it at first. And then I looked at the pictures and it was, oh, okay, I've seen that guy before. They're pretty unique looking critters, one of the more unique ones in the series I've done. Drawing it was fun. I did like sketching out the beak and the feathers. There's some of my light sketching to begin with. We'll get right into the inking, and you can see it, come to life on the page. I think it'll be a good coloring page. If you purchase the books, you don't have to go with the standard colors. You can do whatever you want. It's your coloring book. That's the way I view things. And my daughter, who did the cover and the back for the first book, showed me how unique you can be with coloring. And then I did the second book myself because she wasn't able to. This one, it's up in the air. We'll see who colors the front and back art for it. We'll see how that goes. So the Shoebill, when I was looking up facts about it, I really like doing that with these critters and learning more about what they're like. They're more related to pelicans and herons than actual storks. So that was kind of curious why they're called what they are. And another critter that is dear to my heart, they are solitary. They prefer to hunt and live alone in swampy African wetlands. So another good solitary animal just like me. They can stand motionless for hours. They silently wait to ambush prey, earning the nickname statue bird, which I had never heard. So that's a new one to me. So that's always fun to find out about. And you can't tell from the pictures, but they can actually stand over 4 feet tall and have a wingspread of 8 feet wide. I was impressed and shocked. I didn't realize they got so big. I thought they were small little little birds. But here's the end of it. I'm getting the sun, a nice beautiful day. Here's my final drawing. Hope you have a great day, and thanks for tuning in.